Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing long-term health benefits of drinking coconut water daily. Imagine, a simple, natural beverage with the power to transform your health from the inside out. Stay tuned to find out how this natural beverage can improve your overall well-being. You know that sluggish feeling you get when you're dehydrated? It's like your body is begging for a break, your energy levels plummet, and even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. It's like your body's running on fumes, barely able to keep up with the demands of the day. You feel drained, exhausted, and just not yourself. Well, coconut water is like hitting the refresh button. Imagine taking a sip and feeling an instant wave of rejuvenation. It's like nature's way of saying, I've got your back. It's packed with electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, all the good stuff your body craves. These essential minerals work together to keep your cells hydrated and functioning optimally. These guys are essential for keeping your cells hydrated and happy. When your cells are happy, you're happy. Your skin glows, your energy levels soar, and you feel ready to take on the world. Think of it as nature's sports drink, minus the artificial colors and added sugars. It's pure, it's natural, and it's incredibly effective. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a pick-me-up, coconut water is the perfect choice. Whether you've just crushed a workout, battled a stomach bug, or spent a little too much time under the summer sun, coconut water can help replenish those vital fluids and get you back to feeling your best. It's like a little miracle in a bottle. Coconut water can help replenish those vital fluids and get you back to feeling your best. Imagine feeling rejuvenated, refreshed, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel like they're sipping on a tropical vacation every day? With every sip, you can transport yourself to a sunny beach, feeling the warm breeze and hearing the gentle waves. It's a mini vacation in a bottle, and it's just what you need to stay hydrated and happy. Your heart, that incredible organ working tirelessly to keep you going, deserves all the love you can give it. It's the engine of your body, pumping life-sustaining blood through your veins, ensuring every cell gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Taking care of your heart is not just about living longer, but about living better. And guess what? Coconut water can lend a helping hand. This natural, refreshing drink is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your heart health. It's like nature's own sports drink, hydrating you while providing essential minerals. Remember potassium, that electrolyte superstar we talked about? Well, it plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, keeping those numbers in check. Potassium helps balance the amount of sodium in your cells, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Foods like bananas and avocados are great sources, but coconut water is a convenient and tasty option too. High blood pressure is a silent threat, often going unnoticed until it causes serious health issues. But coconut water can be your secret weapon in the fight against it. Regular consumption can help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range, reducing the strain on your heart and arteries. Plus, some studies suggest it might even help lower those pesky LDL cholesterol levels, further reducing your risk of heart disease. LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can build up in your arteries, leading to blockages and heart problems. By incorporating coconut water into your diet, you might be able to keep those levels in check. So, raise a glass of coconut water to a healthy heart and a longer, happier life. Embrace the benefits of this tropical elixir and make it a part of your daily routine. Along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, coconut water can be a simple yet powerful addition to your heart-healthy lifestyle. Cheers to a vibrant, energetic, and heart-healthy future. We've all been there, that uncomfortable feeling of indigestion or bloating after a meal. Not fun, right? Well, coconut water can be your digestive system's new best friend. It contains these amazing things called bioactive enzymes, which basically act like tiny helpers, breaking down food and making the whole digestion process smoother. Say goodbye to that sluggish feeling and hello to a happier gut. And when your gut is happy, you're happy. It's all connected. So next time you're feeling a little backed up, reach for a refreshing glass of coconut water and let it work its magic. Let's talk about weight management, a topic that often comes with a lot of pressure and unrealistic expectations. Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of losing weight or maintaining a healthy weight, often due to the bombardment of fad diets and extreme workout routines that promise quick results but are hard to sustain. But here's the thing, small, sustainable changes can make a big difference over time. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather incorporating simple habits into your daily routine. For instance, choosing to prepare a healthy salad instead of grabbing fast food, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. These small steps add up and can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and weight management. And that's where coconut water comes in. This natural beverage is not only hydrating but also packed with essential nutrients that support your body's functions. It's a great way to stay refreshed and energized throughout the day. It's naturally low in calories and fat, making it a much healthier alternative to sugary sodas or juices. When you compare the nutritional content, coconut water stands out as a superior choice. It's free from the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in many commercial beverages. Plus, those natural sugars we talked about, they are not only healthier, but also provide a steady release of energy. This means you won't experience the sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes that are common with sugary drinks. Instead, you'll have a more consistent energy level, helping you stay active and focused throughout the day. They provide a steady release of energy, preventing those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling tired and craving unhealthy snacks. By maintaining stable energy levels, you're less likely to reach for those high-calorie, low-nutrient snacks that can derail your weight management efforts. So, swap out those sugary drinks for a refreshing coconut water and support your weight management goals the delicious and natural way. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your health. By making mindful choices like this, you can create a sustainable and enjoyable path to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly to filter our blood and remove waste products. But sometimes they need a little extra TLC. And you guessed it, coconut water can help. It's a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out toxins and excess fluids, which can be super beneficial for kidney health. Plus, remember those kidney stones we mentioned earlier? Coconut water may help prevent them by reducing the crystallization of certain substances in the urine, so give your kidneys some love and stay hydrated with this natural elixir. Aging is a natural part of life and we should embrace it. But who wouldn't want to age gracefully, both inside and out? Well, coconut water might just hold the key to unlocking your fountain of youth. It contains these powerful antioxidants called cytokinins, which have been linked to anti-aging and even anti-cancer properties. These antioxidants fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage our cells and contribute to premature aging. So, sip on some coconut water and let it help you age gracefully from the inside out. We all want that healthy, radiant glow, right? But sometimes expensive creams and serums just don't cut it. True beauty starts from within, and that's where coconut water comes in. By keeping you hydrated, it helps plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, its antibacterial properties may even help fight acne and promote a clearer complexion. So, ditch those sugary drinks and embrace the natural glow-up power of coconut water. Your skin will thank you for it. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. And while there's no magic bullet, there are natural ways to give your body the support it needs to fight off those pesky germs. Coconut water is a good source of essential vitamins, including vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in immune function. So, next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a refreshing glass of coconut water and give your immune system a fighting chance. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health and well-being. And for those looking for natural ways to support healthy blood sugar balance, coconut water might just be the answer. Unlike sugary drinks that can spike your blood sugar levels, coconut water has a low glycemic index, meaning its natural sugars are absorbed slowly into the bloodstream. This slow and steady release of energy helps prevent those energy crashes and cravings, making it a great choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just trying to stay active, proper muscle function is key. And guess what plays a crucial role in muscle contractions and preventing those dreaded cramps? You got it, potassium. Coconut water is an excellent source of this essential mineral, helping to replenish electrolyte levels lost through sweat during exercise. So, next time you're hitting the gym or going for a run, grab a coconut water beforehand and power up your muscles the natural way. While coconut water offers numerous benefits, It's important to consume it in moderation, especially for those with kidney issues or electrolyte imbalances, as excess potassium could lead to complications. Would you like to know more about how coconut water can complement any specific health goals or conditions? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback means a lot to us.